Homework 8, number 6. So in this problem, you're asked to create a loop or write a loop that creates the following 4x4 matrix. And the matrix is just the product of the row number by the column number, right? So 1 times 1, 1 times 2, 1 times 3, 1 times 4, etc. So if you're able to do number 5 successfully, this should be along the same line of thought. So let's go to MATLAB and see how to implement this, okay? So MATLAB, so I'm gonna start a new script, and before starting a new script, let me copy the script from number 5, and I'm gonna paste it in a new script here. And the idea here is I need to create a matrix with the following elements, right? 1 times 1, 1 times 2, 1 times 3, 1 times 4. So let's just write it this way. And then the second line I have 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 times 3, 2 times 4. Third line 3 times 1, 3 times 2, 3 times 3, 3 times 4. And then the fourth line, here we go, 4 times 1, 4 times 2, 4 times 3, 4 times 4. Right? So again, because I'm going in 2 dimensions, I need to have 2 loops inside each other, a nested loop. The first loop will go over the required number of rows, and then the second loop will go over the number of columns. You can do it the opposite way, doesn't matter. You just have to be careful with your language, right? So let me copy this here as well so that I can show them side by side. So in this matrix, in location 1 1, I need to have 1 times 1. In location 1 2, I need to have 1 times 2. Location 1 3, 1 times 3. Location 3 2, I need to have 3 times 2. So it's obvious that in every element I need to have the product of the element row location by the element column location. So if I go to my for loop here, for I equals 1 to 4, which is looping over the number of rows, and then inside it I have for k equals 1 to 4, and here I'm looping over the number of columns a, I, comma k, which is basically row column should equal to the product of the row by the column, so this should be equal to I multiplied by k, and this should achieve what the problem is asking for. So let's try and run it. It will ask you to save. Again, just save it in a good location. So I'm gonna have homework 8, number 6, add to path, all of this stuff. And if you run it, so let's display A in the command window. You're gonna get basically the expected result, right? Which is 1 2 3 4, and then here you have 2 times 1, which is 2, 2 times 2 4, 2 times 3 6, 2 times 4 8, 3 times 1 3 times 2, 3 times 3 3 times 4, 4 times 1 4 times 2, 4 times 3, and 4 times 4. So this is along the similar line of thought of problem number 5. In approaching these problems, you just have to do your planning and then try to find the trends and then execute to achieve the result.